Welcome to Discovering Haven Well. In this video, we will talk about the power of good decision-making and how it can change your life. Every day, we make decisions that can impact our lives, from small decisions like what to eat for breakfast to significant decisions like choosing a career or life partner. Making good decisions is not always easy, but it is a critical skill that can lead to success and happiness. In this video, we will discuss some tips and strategies to help you make better choices. Set clear goals. The first step in making good decisions is to set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and use this as a guide to make your decisions. This will help you stay focused and make choices that align with your goals. Gather information. Gather as much information as possible about your options before making a decision. This can involve doing research, talking to experts, or seeking advice from friends or family. The more information you have, the better equipped you are to make an informed decision. Weigh the pros and cons. Once you have gathered information, take the time to weigh the pros and cons of each option. Make a list of the advantages and disadvantages of each option and evaluate which one aligns best with your goals. Consider the consequences. Every decision has consequences, so it's essential to consider the short-term and long-term effects of each option. Think about how your decision will impact your life in the future and whether it aligns with your goals. Trust your intuition. Sometimes, your gut feeling can guide you towards the right decision. Trust your intuition, but don't ignore the facts. Consider both your instincts and the information you have gathered to make an informed decision. Seek advice. Seek advice from people you trust, who have experience or expertise in the area you are making a decision. Listen to their input and use it to make a more informed decision. Making good decisions is a skill that can be learned and improved upon. By setting clear goals, gathering information, weighing the pros and cons, considering the consequences, trusting your intuition, and seeking advice, you can make better choices that align with your goals and lead to success and happiness. We hope these tips and strategies will help you make good decisions in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.